it is obvious to see what's going on in this country right now with the healthcare system. President Obama, the elected President Obama, has the good intention and the goodwill to bring a healthcare system for everybody in this country that will help us whenever we have problems, illness. His intentions are very good, but the rich people that is in Congress and the rich people in the United States that own insurance companies, they don't like this idea, because it is harmful for them. It is hazardous, that they know that they're going to lose a lot of money. So you can see from the very beginning, the word when they say God bless America is not in these people. They can be lifting up the American flag and going to all their churches. They can be going on TV and the media with CNN, and they can be talking about God bless this country in all matters, but within them there is no blessings, because they really don't care about the poor people of this country. This is involving white, blacks, Chinese, Africans, Arabians, you name it. All the different type of ethnic groups that live in this country. These insurance companies, they really do not like the idea of having a national insurance for everybody, because if I am sick, that I don't have insurance, it's hard for me to go at the hospital that is for really rich people, that they can pay a lot of amount of money for surgeries, and they will have all what they want. But it is not good for them that the government has insurance for us, because a good healthcare system, because of the reason that they will not be gaining all of this money from us. And that if we have insurance and we are paying like premiums, high premiums, they don't like the idea for the government to be handling this. And I don't see in the Bible where it says that the government cannot help the people. The government is for the people, by the people, to help us in all situations. We are not begging. We are not beggars. We are just asking the fair. We pay tax. We pay enough tax, and we have all the right. We got all the right to do this claim. I support President Obama with this. All those rich people that is up there talking, all them Congress people that do not want this, they're trying to hold the bill until August or whenever they go to vacation and come back. A lot of things can happen during that time, and then the idea of having a national healthcare system, it will just go down through the hole. It will just go down through the sink. I will urge the American people to think good on their health and do not think on these rich people that is in Congress, because it's just few rich people living in this country. The rest of us are all poor people. So it's not in their heart. They don't have the Spirit of God to say, okay, let us forget about all of this money, or about all the modernism, all the electronic stuff and all that. Let us just help the poor. Create the healthcare system for everybody that we can be able to pay when we go to the hospital, and do not have the problem of having all of these bills with credit card, and in another 50 years time I will pay it, and then they're going to be getting more rich. So they don't have the word in them. They don't have God in them. They don't have the Spirit of Jehovah in them. This is hard for me to say it, because it's not because I'm judging, but I had been sick sometimes and I have to go to the hospital. I don't have insurance, and then the hospital is charging me maybe just for a visit like $2,000-3,000. In the ambulance they charge you like $600. Just imagine for 10 minutes going to ambulance, $600. And if you're just a part-time worker, how in the world are you going to pay $600 for 10 minutes to go to the hospital? That's not fair, my friend. That is not fair. And then if you cannot pay, your name is going to the credit bureau, and then they start to call you by phone, and then it goes on your credit. You cannot even get a credit card for $100 to go and buy groceries because of you get sick, and then the hospital is charging you these enormous bills. So where is Christianism, my friend? That is not being a Christian. That is not a gift from God. God gave you the power to heal. So just use the money that God gave you to help the people, and stop put obstacle to the President Obama elected by the people, for the people, for projects that will be good for the entire country. I am sorry to say this, but I just got to tell it to you. And CNN, you try to do good things too, because you are affecting the president image right now. You think that you are doing okay, but I think you like gossip too much. Too much gossip, okay? Too much gossip.